Hey you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Watch and See. So today y'all, I have another DIY. Just before I get started, I just wanted to share with y'all, I'm kind of revamping my channel. I want y'all to know that I will be coming up with more DIYs for you all. Just some hauls, just some lifestyle videos. So check out my playlist when y'all get a chance. Keep watching, let's get into the video. So here I have my lovely pillows from Dollar Tree. They didn't have multiple colors, unfortunately, but I love those colors, and you will see at the end why. Here is my mat, my scissors, of course, and the non-slip rug underlay. This helps protect your mat from slipping and sliding. And of course, I have my E6000. This did not come from Dollar Tree. This came from Walmart, but I heard it works great on certain types of fabric, so I wanted to give it a try. So first what I'm doing is I'm cutting out the pillow. I'm trying to cut towards the seams. And by doing this, you should have a square shaped when you're finished cutting all around. So I decided to grab a bag because there's a lot of fluff coming out of those pillows, and we can always use it for another DIY in the future. So go ahead and grab that bag so you can reuse that, and you just never know what might be coming up in the future with these DIYs. Also, you can keep that as well. So what I'm doing here is just cutting off those extra tags. That's unnecessary, just making sure all the cotton is off of the fur. So I'm just going to continue just cutting out the excess paper on the pillows and taking out the fur until I finish all 6 of my pillows. So I decided to wear my gloves because I am dealing with an adhesive. I did get E6000 because I heard it works well on fabrics. So we are going to see how well this does. So once again, I'm making sure that all the fur is out of the inside of the pillow. You definitely want to make sure that everything is all out, because when it's time to add your glue to stick onto the rug, you want it to make sure that it sticks as best as it can. And also make sure that when you're organizing your pillows, that you organize it in a way where they're even. So when I'm adding my glue, I want to make sure it gets all in the seams, all around the corners, just so that it sticks to that rug all the way. Once you add the glue on the pillow, you want to make sure you press down very hard so that it sticks and does not come up. This process is very repetitive. I'm just taking my hand, I'm just pushing the glue down. But you can also take a book or something and just try to lay it there for about 20 seconds. So I decided to staple the ends of the rug just to make sure it was more secure. That glue to me wasn't the best glue for this type of fabric. So you can choose to staple them. Just make sure that when you do staple them, you want to make sure that the staple goes all the way through so that you won't hurt yourself. But this step right here that I'm doing, the rug underlay, is completely optional. I chose to do this because if I'm going to be using this in the bathroom, you know, steam and water, I want to make sure that it doesn't slip. So I'm just stapling this as well. So make sure you're careful with this. So here's my final result, you guys. My $8 faux rug, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe this? And of course, you know, I had to model it for y'all. And the faux slippers was not planned. But I love me some faux, y'all. And y'all won't gonna catch me slipping. I showed it. Had to blur out my feet up. But this is so soft. And I really do love this. I can't believe that I even found these products at the Dollar Tree. But this was $8, y'all. If I can do it, you can do it. So here's a more detailed view of the faux rug. Y'all, I did not plan for this to match my bathroom, but it turned out to match perfectly. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thank you for watching. And if you like videos like this and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will definitely have more DIYs coming up. And while you're at it, go ahead, like, comment, and share this video. This is your girl Watching C. Thank you for coming to see what I had going on. And I will hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.